We took it for a reason, we took it because it's about to be trending again right now. And again, you don't need to remember nothing, you don't need to do nothing more than just upload your image, just copy them from your computer in here and start and making money online as a teenager without a job. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money as a teenager without a job, completely on autopilot, no experience needed, using a very smart and beneficial method so you can create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. And if you'd like to learn even more ways to create income online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content, you will get notified. So first is to go to Google Trends, which is Google tells us most popular searches and different kind of trends. Since right now it's voting time, let me show you something. If you type go vote, you will see this search term interest over time, and as you can see it goes up and down, and now it goes up again. So it is exactly the time to get in and do this method if you like to catch this trend on time before it's exploding and the competition will be too much. Here you can see the interest by subregions, and you can see that in the United States right now people from these countries search it more than everyone. Okay, so now we know this search term is about to go up again in the United States, specifically in these countries. So the next step, what we want to do, now we want to go to Google and press and type go vote. Then click on images, and here you will see all different kinds of slogans and logos which is related to go vote. You can choose any of them, it doesn't matter. Just pick one that you like, and I will show you now how to make money with it. And if you want to make sure there is no usage right on the image you're gonna use, just click on tools, then go to usage rights and click on labeled for reuse. So now anything you will pick will be absolutely free and safe to use however you like. Let's see, let's pick something. It really doesn't matter so much. So for the sake of this video I will pick, let's see, if you want a good quality you can again click on tools, then size, then loud, and now everything here will be in a good quality for download and paint and paste again. We can take this one I like actually. This one can be amazing with this method. Let me show you. So now just download the image you picked to your computer, and now let's go to the next step. So let me remind you, the first step was Google Trend. We've checked for this search term and we know it's going to go up and again. And you can do it with a lot of different kind of search terms that are related to what's happening right now. So upcoming election is a very good sample of that. The next thing was go to Google, type go vote in the search bar, and then pick some image that we like to work with, download it to our computer, and now let me show you how can you make a very good money with it. And now let me show you how to make money as a teenager without a job. Completely on autopilot, no experience needed. You don't need to go out and shovel snow or I don't know, clean leaves from the road or wash cars or anything physical. You just need a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So let me introduce one of the best sites for making money with this kind of images, and right now it's the best, I think. I will show you another ones, and I will show you another ones. I will do a video about, I will do another tutorial about them. You can find it here down in the description. You can find it here below in the description section, and actually expand your income. So please meet Teespring, which is a very good website to start with e-commerce on as a beginner. And again, you don't need to know nothing. I will show you right now how to do it. It's so easy, you won't believe. In this site you can find all different kind of apparel which you can print on. You can see by yourself, hats, bags, shirts, phone cases and more. For example, this one I've made in the past video, which I explained another brilliant method to make money online as a teenager. No experience needed, you just need to follow the steps in this video, and of course I will add it also in the description below, so you can click on it and watch it. And you can see there is hoodies, shirts, pants, in different kinds of colors and patterns. Let me show you what they are all about. So, how easy is it? Teespring offers no risk turnkey solution to you running your commerce business. We handle everything from marketing, production, fulfillment, and customer service. We make e-commerce easy. So you can come to this website even if you don't know a thing about designing, about t-shirts, about e-com, or anything of that. Just follow the steps I'm showing you and you'll be making money online as fast as the election arrived again. So let me show you the next step. You click on start designing, and what you want to do next, you can pick any accessories that you like to print your things on. If it's hoodies, pants, socks, t-shirts, long sleeve tees, sweatshirts, tank top, stickers, mugs, masks, or phone cases, and just start with it. So for the t-shirt, I mean, if we are talking about what is trending right now, maybe mask will be a very good combination with this design. So the next thing you want to do is click on start designing, and here you will see the raw mask with a blank background. Let me show you how easy it is. Guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video very quick now and remind you to subscribe so you'll continue to get useful tips and tricks on how to make money online as a teenager, completely on autopilot, no experience needed. Let's get back to the video. The next thing you will want to do is to click on add image. Now choose the image you downloaded to your computer, and here you can see the image that you've downloaded from Google of this Go Vote Say. And as I've showed you in the beginning of this video, we took it for a reason. We took it because it's about to be trending again right now. And again, you don't need to remember nothing, you don't need to do nothing more than just upload your image, just copy them from your computer in here and start and making money online as a teenager without a job. So now, after we've uploaded this image in Teespring, now we can see a preview of how it's gonna look like. So if I click on preview, which is brilliant if you ask me right now, combining face mask with the election, and you can find yourself selling these things in no time. Now, after we've uploaded the image to Teespring, is setting the price. As you can see here, Teespring automatically set it on $15, so you make 7.5 profit. And remember, anything else is on them. You don't need to do nothing now. You don't need to ship it. You don't need to store a lot of it anywhere. You don't need to print yourself. You just upload your design and they will take it from here. Now, after we set the price, after we finish with the price, the next thing we want to do is to click on continue. And now Teespring will offer you another products with your design on them. You can edit any one of them and add them to your product list. So for example, I like this mug as well. What is this? A sticker, a bag, a sticker, a phone case. I like this iPhone case as well. As you can see here, in no time I have 3 different kind of products based on this design alone. So from one image that took me a few seconds to download from Google, I now have 3 products to sell. Now let's continue. We click on continue, and here you will need to put your title and description for the products. So I will recommend starting with the search term itself. So we type Go Vote, get out the face mask, and in the description you will put something like a trendy Go Vote face mask, and you can add something funny and engaging, so there's higher chance people will click on your product. Me add something like, if you want to vote safely, you should totally wear one of these. Okay, something short but engaging, so people will click on your product because they like your promotion. Now on visibility, you should put it on public, which is the automatically selection by Teespring. You can change it to private or unlisted, but we need to leave it as it is on public. And the last thing you will need to do is to click on publish listing, and voila, you have your 3 products for the same amount of work. Now Teespring is preparing your listing, and tada, we have 3 different kinds of products with this design on, and you can see now people who search this kind of printed product can buy them and enjoy them. And as you've seen, it takes few minutes to do it. You can repeat this method over and over again, so you can make money online over and over again, because people will now can buy this product. Teespring ship it for you. They have return policy for you. They will talk with they will do customer service and everything, as I've showed you. You don't need to market it. You don't need to know nothing. Everything is already done for you. You just came with the design. That's it. Now, the best thing about Teespring is that they will promote your listings. You don't need to advertise it on your own. They will just get you traffic completely free. For that to happen, you just need to sell your first 2 to 10 products by yourself, and then Teespring will recognize you as a dedicated seller who is absolutely serious with selling his merch, and then they will start to promote you by themselves inside their search system, on Google, on Facebook, and so on. So if you want to learn the best method for that, so if you want to see the best method, if you want to learn the best method to sell your first items completely free without creating a website or get in front of the camera or actually anything like that, you can find a link in the description below of another video I did exactly about that, so you can start right now and make sales. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Please let me know what part of the video you enjoy the most, what your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe now to my channel, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon, and if you will click on the bell notification icon right now, I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Till then, see ya!